For MRP Live, this is my S4HANA application layer. Okay, and this is my HANA-DB. So you give the command, the user come and he said that, boss, I want to run MRP. He gives the command to run MRP. Now what happened here in MRP Live, this command would be directly transferred. This command would be directly transferred to the HANA database. And within the HANA database, all the data, all the tables are available within the database, within the views it is available. And on top of it, what SAP has done, SAP has rewritten the MRP logic in SQL, that is the database language. They have rewritten the MRP logic. This is your MRP live logic. Actually, when we say MRP live, the logic, the code basically does not sit into the application layer. The code has been transferred to the database. Why it has been transferred to the database? Because earlier what we said that even that poor guy, that rotating disk and drum is struggling to extract the data. If I will also say that extract the data, do all the calculation and give me the results, that guy will die. Your normal database will die. But with the HANA database system, I have a capability. It's an in-memory system. It's 100 and 1,000 times more faster to do on-the-fly calculations compared to your traditional database system. So because it's an in-memory database system, and I hope now you would be able to memorize that the initial sessions when we have talked about a lot about the databases, about what is the difference between in-memory and what is the difference between traditional databases. So because it's an in-memory database system where the data is stored in memory, the calculation will happen very fast. So the logic is sitting here. Within here, it need to get the data from the tables, and within here, it need to do the calculation. Within here, it need to identify that what are the shortages. Within here, it need to give the proposals for the shortages. Everything is done here, and then the results would be shown to user. It will pass to the application layer, and through the application layer, it will be passed to the user. So basically, in the nutshell, what is going to happen, that all of the things is going to happen. All of the things going to happen in HANA database system, right? There's the to and fro movement between the application layer and your database system has been reduced. That's why the MRP Live, because of this architectural change and because of the HANA database, it works very fast. Because it works very fast, now you have seen in the last session, I have take you through the different applications in the Fiori, right? Where basically there is also option there, kind of a MD04 in a graphical way it is there, and there is also option there that you can hit MRP, run the MRP. Generally in ECC, we don't introduce our end user with running a MRP, but here the MRP Live can be given. Not the full MRP Live, but for the selective materials, it would be given that the end user also would be able to run the MRP on their own, even in the daytime also, because now that much of load it does not carry because of the MRP Live principles which has been put it up, because of the logic which has been shifted into the HANA database. Because of that, your actual things will work very fast. That is one of the reasons that MRP Live would be faster. You can increase the frequency. You cannot say it's always live, but with the Fiori application, you would be able to see the current situation. The shortfall is there. You hit the MRP button, system will generate the proposal in front of you. That kind of capabilities would be coming here. And rather than running MRP Live once in a day, you can now run 3 times in a shift, or 3 times in a day. Every shift also you can run MRP run. So that kind of capabilities you would be able to see it. Is that clear, that how MRP Live would be doing the things faster?